Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 2nd of August 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 surged 1.3% today to close at 7,491 points, a new record, after the announcement of the biggest ever corporate deal on the market. US payments giant Square made a $39 billion bid for buy now, pay later group Afterpay. It triggered a 19% jump in Afterpay share price after Square said it would pay a 30% premium to the buy now, pay later group's closing share price last week. The deal is massive and still has some regulatory and shareholder hurdles to overcome, hence the difference between the 30% premium and the 19% jump today. But the deal today was certainly enough to lift the rest of the buy now, pay later sector. Zipco's share price jumped 9%, Splitit was up 8.7%, and OpenPay and Sezzle share prices both rose 4%. The deal overshadowed another mega merger announced today between Santos and Oil Search, just 3 weeks after the latter knocked back the deal with Santos. The deal will create a very large oil and gas business with operations in Australia, Papua New Guinea, Timor-Leste, and North America. Oil Search's share price rose almost 5% today, and Santos was up 0.6%. The corporate news well and truly captured the market. The technology sub-index rose 6.5%, but indices representing financials, healthcare stocks, consumer staples, and energy companies were all up by 1.5% or more. All the mergers and acquisitions activity triggered some big jumps in share prices. National Australia Bank was up 2.4%, while both Commonwealth Bank and Westpac were more than 2% higher. CSL was up nearly 2% as well, while retailers Coles, Woolworths and Wesfarmers all did well. A notable exception was Telstra, which fell 0.3%. Other underperformers among the large caps were the iron ore miners. BHP rose slightly, but Rio and Fortescue both lost ground after the price of iron ore fell sharply. Mineral Resources, which has had a good run recently, was the worst performer of the top 200 today, off 4.4%. Boral was another notable underperformer, down 4.2% to $6.88, 7% below the level that Seven Group paid to pick up 70% of the stock in recent weeks. In economic news, property prices in Australia have grown for 10 months in a row, after increasing 1.6% during July. Across the country, prices are up 16% on a year ago, and that's the fastest rate of growth in 17 years, according to CoreLogic. The Aussie dollar is buying 73.4 US cents, and that's about it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 2nd of August 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Tuesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.